Plymouth GTX. Hi everyone. Today we're diving deep into the Plymouth GTX, a legendary muscle car that has captivated enthusiasts for decades. The GTX was introduced in 1967 as a performance-oriented version of the Plymouth Belvedere. It quickly gained a reputation for its power, style, and affordability. The GTX was typically powered by powerful V8 engines, offering impressive acceleration and top speed. Its rear-wheel drive setup provided a classic muscle car driving experience. The GTX's design was characterized by its muscular lines, distinctive grille, and often featured a convertible top. Inside, the interior was typically spacious and comfortable, with features like bucket seats and a center console. The GTX's unique selling points included its powerful performance, stylish design, and relatively affordable price compared to some other muscle cars. It was a popular choice for those seeking a classic American muscle car experience. The Plymouth GTX is a timeless classic that continues to capture the hearts of car enthusiasts. With its powerful engine, iconic design, and affordable price, it's a vehicle that offers a truly unforgettable driving experience. Like, share, and subscribe the video.